Want to create sellable PDFs in 30 minutes or less? Here's the fastest way to do it with AI. First, head to ChatGPT and ask it to generate content for your PDF, like planner, checklist, guide, or journal. No need to start from scratch. Next, paste your AI-generated content into a Canva template. Search for planner or grocery list and customize it in minutes. Once it's done, download it as a PDF and upload it to Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. And you just created a sellable product in under 30 minutes. Want to learn how to scale this process and turn it into a passive income? Speed things up with AI and PDF farming. Grab the full guide by clicking the link in the description below.